Hey Millennial, let's learn something new today. Today we're going to be doing some garden. So I'm going to start with this tray, fill it up with soil, and then I'm going to be planting some carrots, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. I think this is the same. Yeah, same tomatoes, big tomatoes. Cucumber, 2 types of lettuce, cilantro, and peas. And of course at the background we have some onions. I don't think that's working properly, but we'll see. And then during the winter I harvest some seeds. So these are all pepper, green pepper, orange pepper, and red pepper, the sweet pepper. So we'll see how this goes, and I'll keep you update on this. Of course we're gonna label them so we don't forget what we're going to plant each one. So labeling is important. Other than that, I think I just need to get some soil and we'll get started. We're gonna need for today. So I got some gloves, tool, seeds of your choice, including the ones I harvest during the winter. These are all sweet pepper of the different colors. Some soil in a container where you can put all the soil, and then the containers you're going to be using to put all the seeds, so you can fill it up using that container or in a box, whatever you have available. And here we go. To start, we're gonna fill all the containers with soil, as you can see here. After that, we're gonna separate all the seeds with their corresponding label. And then I'm using a Sharpie to create holes so I can put the seeds on each of the slots, just like this. So I'm gonna put the seeds on the cucumber here, cucumber seeds here, and then the peas. So I already have all the rows labeled, so I'm just gonna fill all the rows with the corresponding seeds. And then I'll show you the final results. All right, all done. Fill in there. This is carrots, lettuce, carrots, cucumber, peas, cilantro. So this is the tent I'll be using to put all the plants. It is called a dryer 90, and that's the measurement in centimeters and inches. It's pretty light, so I'll show you what it looks like in a second, but I'll show you how it's set up using this diagram. So basically this is how it looks like. You can open it with a zipper, and the instructions are pretty basic. Has a lot of poles and joints and all that, and in the final result you get like a little cube or a rectangle, and then on top of that you get the I guess whatever material they use here. So you put it on top, and then you close it up, even the bottom, and it's all look like this. Okay, so this is how we open it, and this is what I have set up. I have a little steps here with the garden light, and then the power. I'm going through the back here with a timer, so this timer will execute every single day for 12 hours. So it will turn on during the day or night, depending what I decide to do. So this will turn on and the plants will be here, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, got everything ready. Peas, tomato, lettuce, peppers, carrots.
One week later.
This is about 1.5 weeks. Got a few progress here. And it's going great. Except for these ones here, there's none. Cilantro, carrots are going good. Lettuce is starting. And then these are empty. So that is all I have for today. If you have any questions, comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.